Felix heard it clear in the quiet of his room. Truth was at the door, but he kept it waiting too. He said one more day while the hour moved on. Hands on the latch, heart not gone but gone. The voice came again, soft as a flood. Son, don't trade the car for the comfort of dust. He knew what was right, he just didn't move. Kept his shoes by the bed, still stuck in the groove. If you know, then why wait? If you're called, then why hide? The door is open now. Felix, step inside. Felix, choose today. Don't wait, don't wait. Felix, choose today. God is calling, say yes. Felix, choose today. Don't let it slip away. Felix, choose today. Answer while it's closed. He watched the clock run like it owed him time. Every plan he wrote started sounding like a lie. The truth stayed patient, but patience still cuts deep. What you bury in daylight grows in the dark at your feet. He saw his own face in the broken window frame. Half of him excused it, half of him knew the name. No more someday, no more after this. Faith is a step, not a maybe, not a wish. If you know, then why wait? If you're called, then why hide? The door is open now. Felix, step inside. Felix, choose today. Don't wait, don't wait. Felix, choose today. God is calling, say yeah. Felix, choose today. Don't let this slip away. Felix, choose today. Answer while it's closed. He finally stood up with a trembling breath. Said, I'm done with delay, I'm done with less. No perfect words, just an honest heart. One small yes can tear the night apart. Felix, choose today. Don't wait, don't wait. Felix, choose today. God is calling, say yeah. Felix, choose today. Don't let this slip away. Felix, choose today. Answer while it's closed. Felix, choose today. This is your moment now. Felix, choose today. Heaven is near somehow.